Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, security system, compass, heated steering wheel, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.